Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating basics fast. Plug the Chromebook into a working charger and confirm the LED or charging indicator appears. Once done, visually inspect the screen and hinge for obvious damage because a cracked connector blocks power. Try a forced wake. Press power once, then immediately hold refresh plus power for about 10 seconds to restart the display hardware. This resets the graphics firmware without data loss and often revives a sleep-stuck panel. Next, you perform a deeper reset to clear residual charge. Unplug the charger, remove any SD cards and peripherals, then hold the power button for 30 seconds to drain capacitors. After reconnecting power, use the Chromebook's hardware reset pinhole or the specific reset key combo described on the device sticker. This targets the embedded controller that manages the display. Make sure to test with an external monitor over USB-C or HDMI. Finally, finish by addressing the suspected failing component. If you're comfortable, power down and reseat the internal display cable. Loose or damaged ribbons are a common cause. Replace the cable if you find wear. If hardware looks fine, create a Chrome OS recovery USB and reinstall the OS because corrupted firmware can prevent backlight initialization. If the screen remains black, contact an authorized repair center and tell them whether an external monitor displayed output. That detail narrows repair to the LCD or the mainboard for faster service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.